This channel is called Points and Ticks, so it's about time I actually explained what a tick is worth and why it's the single most important number to know before you place a futures trade. Let's break down ES, NQ, and YM. Let's start with the absolute basics. A tick is the smallest amount a futures contract can move. It's the minimum price increment. Prices don't move in random amounts, they move in ticks, and every tick has a specific dollar value depending on the contract. Get this wrong, and you have no idea how much money you're actually risking. Let's start with ES, the emini S and P500. For ES, one tick is 0.25 index points, and each tick is worth $12.50 per contract. 4 ticks make 1 full point, and since each tick is $12.50, 1 full point equals $50. So on ES, one tick is $12.50, 1 point is $50. Now NQ, the emini NASDAQ 100. For NQ, one tick is also 0.25 index points, but the value is different. Each NQ tick is worth $5 per contract. 4 ticks make a point, so 1 full NQ point equals $20. So on NQ, one tick is $5, 1 point is $20. And YM, the emini Dow, YM works a little differently. For YM, one tick is 1 full index point, and each tick is worth $5 per contract. Because a tick and a point are the same thing on YM, 1 point also equals $5. So YM is the simplest, 1 tick, 1 point, $5. Let me put all 3 side by side so it's crystal clear. ES, 1 tick equals $12.50, 1 point equals $50. NQ, 1 tick equals $5, 1 point equals $20. YM, 1 tick equals $5, 1 point equals $5. So why does this matter so much? Because ticks are how you calculate your risk and reward on every single trade. Say you're trading ES and you set a stop loss 10 ticks away. 10 ticks times $12.50 equals $125 of risk per contract. If your target is 20 ticks away, that's $250. Now you know your exact risk and reward before you even enter. Here's a real example. You buy one ES contract at 5,000 even. You set a stop at 4,997. That's 3 points or 12 ticks below. 12 ticks times $12.50 equals $150 of risk. Your target is 5,006. 6 points, 24 ticks, $300 of profit potential. That's a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, and you calculated it entirely using tick values. This is why understanding tick values isn't optional. It's the foundation of position sizing and risk management. Every stop loss, every target, every calculation of how much you stand to win or lose, it all comes back to knowing what a tick is worth. So there it is, the meaning behind points and ticks. ES, $12.50 a tick, NQ, $5 a tick, YM, $5 a tick. Memorize these 3 numbers and you'll always know exactly what's at stake. If this made it click, subscribe. We break down futures in plain English every week. Free weekly recap in the description. Points and ticks. See you in the next one.